ASML is the biggest success story in Europe in equipment manufacturing for semiconductor production. If you want to see how they took the market away from Canon and Nikon, I recommend watching this video. But today, I want to tell you about what I believe could be the next success story in manufacturing equipment, and that is 3D printing of optics. Creativity is indeed the engine behind technological evolution. Wise words from Fentoprint CEO Nicoletta Casanova. The trend in smart devices is smaller, cheaper, with an exponential increase in complexity. It's done by integrating fluidics, optics, mechanics, and electronics into a smaller volume. But there is a paradox. To produce small things, you need large, high-maintenance infrastructure. Up to 95% of the energy budget of a clean room is simply to control the air. That's incredible. Or maybe not. On Monday, November 15th, we address the booming field of 3D printed optics. And it really is booming now. Nanoscribe was acquired by C-Link, a pharmaceutical bioprinting company. Multiphoton Optics was acquired by Heidelberg Instruments in a smart move, having both additive and subtractive manufacturing for microprinting of optics under the same roof. Vanguard Photonics, thanks to the collaboration with Picontech and the Pixa pilot line, moved the technology forward for the packaging of photonic integrated circuits, and even newcomers such as the Italian App Nano have attracted major interest. And when it comes to ophthalmic optics, another huge breakthrough happened in Europe in 2021. Dutch company LuxExcel started production of 3D printed prescription glasses. Today they are the only company in the world that can do this. But in the same way that ASML's success story was built around cooperation with strong partners, think about the twin scan, the immersion process, or the early move to extreme UV, these companies in 3D printing optics also need powerful partners to enable the next generation. And here are some of my thoughts. And in the two-photon polymerization process, there are two secret ingredients in the recipe: the polymer material and the femtosecond laser used for locally scribing the structures. Tunability of the pulse length and accurate beam shaping have been always items in their Santa Claus Christmas list. And for the 3D printed optics by LuxExcel, part of their success is because of the smart integration with electronics. Look at these electrochromic lenses turning your glasses into sunglasses instantly. Or the integration with augmented reality enabled optical waveguides, so you can have for the first time prescription glasses with augmented reality. Partners are essential for success, and when industry needs partnerships is when epic really is epic. Do you need faster turnaround time, regional production, or prototyping of optics or micro-optics? Do you want to propose your photonic technology as enabler of this success? Do you want to integrate your electronics or fluidics with the next generation optical elements? Or do you want to invest in the next big thing in manufacturing equipment? Do not forget to register online at the EPIC website. I'll be watching out for you on 15 November at 3 p.m.